Revolut Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. This is the Revolut Budgeting App Review usage experience, and I've added links to Revolut in the description below. Revolut is not just a budgeting app, but a full-featured digital banking platform that combines everyday banking with powerful budgeting tools. It's designed for people who want to track their spending, save automatically, and manage money internationally, all within a single app. One of Revolut's core budgeting features is its spending analytics, which automatically categorizes every transaction, giving you a clear breakdown of where your money is going. You'll see categories like groceries, dining, entertainment, and more, with the option to set monthly spending limits for each one. Revolut tracks your progress in real time and sends notifications when you're close to hitting your limits, helping you avoid overspending. Another standout feature is vaults, which allow you to set aside money for savings goals. You can create individual vaults for specific goals like travel, emergency savings, or big purchases. Revolut supports spare change roundups, meaning every time you spend, the app rounds up to the nearest dollar or euro and automatically saves the difference. You can also schedule recurring transfers into your vaults, helping you build savings without thinking about it. For users who get paid directly into Revolut, the app offers a salary sorter feature, which lets you automatically split your paycheck into different budgets or savings vaults as soon as it hits your account. If you're splitting bills with roommates or friends, Revolut makes that simple too, with built-in bill splitting that tracks who owes what. What sets Revolut apart from many budgeting apps is its international focus. It supports holding, spending, and exchanging money in multiple currencies with real-time exchange rates. This makes it particularly valuable for travelers or people managing income and expenses across different countries. In short, Revolut is ideal for people who want modern budgeting tools combined directly with their banking, especially if they need flexibility across currencies. If you want to check out Revolut for yourself, I've added links in the description below.